Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. Today is the 12th day of the Evergreen Woodworking Topics series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of woodworking design principles. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, understanding these principles will help you create beautiful, functional pieces that stand the test of time. Design is the backbone of any woodworking project. It's what transforms a simple piece of wood into a work of art. In this video, we'll cover the essential principles of woodworking design, including balance, proportion, harmony, and detail. Let's get started.
First up, balance. Balance in design is all about distributing visual weight evenly. This can be symmetrical, where both sides of the piece are mirror images, or asymmetrical, where different elements balance each other out. For example, a symmetrical design might be a traditional table with identical legs, while an asymmetrical design could be a modern shelf with varying compartment sizes. Both can be pleasing to the eye if done correctly. Next, let's talk about proportion. Proportion refers to the relationship between different parts of your project. It's crucial to ensure that the sizes of your components complement each other and the overall piece. A well-proportioned piece feels right to the eye, while poor proportion can make even well-crafted elements look awkward. Now, onto harmony. Harmony is about creating a cohesive look where all parts of your project work together. This involves choosing materials, colors, and textures that complement each other. For example, if you're making a chair, you might choose woods with similar grains or finishes that blend well together. This creates a unified and aesthetically pleasing piece.
Detail is what can take a project from good to great. This includes the small touches like carvings, inlays, and finishes that add character and interest to your work. Paying attention to these details not only enhances the beauty of your piece, but also showcases your craftsmanship. Before we wrap up, remember that while these principles are important, they're not strict rules. Design is also about creativity and personal expression. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique style.
In this video we told you Introduction to Woodworking Design Principles. We hope you liked this video. And in the next video of this series, we will learn upcycling and repurposing wood for eco-friendly projects. Thanks till then. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.